Hi, I'm Jerry White from Green as Gets. Today we're going to talk about turning your dirt into good quality, healthy soil, so stay with us. Yeah, I'm Jerry White from Green as It Gets. You know, you may just have dirt in your ground, but we're going to show you how to make that great dirt into good quality soil. But I don't know what kind of dirt you've got. And there's only 3 different kinds. The first is sand. You know, sand is the coarse particles and the water drains right on through it, and you can really hardly keep anything alive in it because it just dries out immediately. But the next type of soil that you see is silt. Silt is finer than that sand, but it's probably some of the best growing soil, but I don't think you've got that because there isn't a lot of silty soil around. The worst one that I see, and all my customers come talk to me about, is that slimy, yucky clay soil. And this is the finest. They're very small particle sizes, the water doesn't go through, the nutrients don't go through, and you know what? The only thing that's good about it is I get taller as I grow because it sticks to my feet and I just get taller and bigger. But really, all these soils don't do well by themselves. You've got to add organic matter in it. You put in 5% or more organic matter and you have this great looking soil.
How you doing? Look, we have, what is this, sand, silt, and clay? Oh, hey, this looks pretty good.
No, wait! No, you just want to eat them.
It is good.
Whatever. Okay, I don't recommend eating it, but yes, you can make your soil so much better. So what's important is adding a good quality compost. You need that organic matter in there. Remember, at least 5%. But more than that is, that doesn't get your soil alive. There's this great product available called Garden Max. And it has all the good goodies in it there. It's got the mycorrhizae, it's got the bacteria, it's got all the nutrition in to make your soil wonderful soil and make your plants thrive. So if you want to change that yucky soil, that silty soil, that slimy clay into great soil, remember, put the Garden Max down. You're going to see the difference. Okay, time to subscribe. You haven't done it yet? What's the problem?
Are you there?
Come on. Right here. Time to subscribe.
Just watching the grass grow here.